Joplin kindergarten students recently had the opportunity to tour Crowder's Neosho campus. The students visit a different college at each grade level as part of Joplin's Operation College Bound program.
They started about 3 years ago and is part of an initiative for the elementary schools to introduce college and higher education to students at a young age. So every grade, kindergarten, first grade, second, third, fourth, each year they have a designated college to attend, and we got kindergartners. So every year kindergartners visit Crowder.
Students and faculty from various departments assisted in showcasing the campus. The tour included a live animal exhibit from agriculture, a play preview from theater, and a solar car demonstration from alternative energy, as well as a tour of the dorms.
One of my favorite parts was when they went to the dorms. They were fascinated by the dorms, and I thought that was kind of cool.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
The tours provide opportunities for both college students and kindergartners alike.
It's beneficial for Crowder students. It gives them an opportunity to get involved and volunteer. For the children, it gives them a really unique insight to Crowder. We make it more engaging for the students, so it will be a memory lasting for them to remember how cool Crowder is.
Reporting from the Neosho campus, I'm Kate Kelly, Crowder Century News.